What if anime characters didn't just look alive, but could continue a story with you, remember what already happened, and react as the world around them changes? Today, on AI Finder, I'm using kizunaMate to turn anime-style characters into interactive AI stories. This is not just chatting, it's about guiding scenes, choosing perspectives, and shaping what-if moments inside a living narrative. I'll quickly create 3 characters, show one short chat example, and then focus heavily on story mode, because that's where this platform truly shines. Let's jump in. I start by clicking the plus icon in the top right to create a new character and upload this Crimson Warrior video. The red tones and intense presence instantly set the mood. I name him Ryu, the Crimson Warrior, set the source work title as Crimson Resolve, and describe him as a fierce warrior fueled by inner fire, discipline, and an unbreakable will. I generate the character, publish it, and once the taskbar turns green, I double-click to enter the experience. Now I switch to story mode, and this is where everything changes. In story mode, each message is no longer just a reply. It becomes the next moment in an ongoing scene. Instead of asking questions, I describe what happens next and let the character carry the story forward. What makes this especially powerful is perspective. I can write in first person to feel like I'm inside the scene, experiencing it moment by moment. I can switch to second person, where the character addresses me directly, pulling me deeper into the world. Or I can choose third person, which feels like co-writing a novel in real time. That single choice completely changes the tone and emotion of the story, and the AI adapts naturally every time. For this scene, here's my prompt. The battlefield is quiet after defeat. I stand beside Ryu, not asking questions, but describing what happens next. The response feels cinematic. Smoke hangs in the air, the aftermath of battle slowly settles, and Ryu continues the scene with weight, emotion, and consistency. It doesn't rush the moment or break character. It feels like a real story unfolding, not a chatbot responding. To show the difference, I briefly jump into chat mode and ask Ryu how he stays strong when everything is against him. The response is motivating and powerful, clearly in character. I follow up with another question about fear, and again, it works well. But compared to story mode, chat feels like a conversation, while story mode feels like an actual anime scene you're shaping moment by moment. Next, I completely change the vibe. I create a new character by uploading a blue-haired, calm-looking video. I name him Kai the Quiet Thinker, set the source work title as Silent Currents, and describe him as a calm, thoughtful soul who listens deeply and understands emotions. I generate, publish, and open the character. Instead of chatting, I go straight into story mode again. I describe a scene where Kai stands by a river at dusk, focusing on the atmosphere instead of asking questions. The response is slow, reflective, and emotional. The river, the fading light, and Kai's quiet words feel like a pause in an anime episode where everything is about mood. For the final character, I go bright and upbeat. I upload an idol-style video, name her Luna the Star Idol, set the source work title as Shining Dreams, and describe her as a cheerful idol who spreads positivity and believes everyone can shine. I generate the character and head straight into story mode. This time, I set up an alternate scenario focused on pressure and performance. Luna is moments away from her biggest performance, and I decide the pressure of the crowd and let the story continue. The response captures nervous energy, determination, and hope all at once. Her confidence wavers, then steadies, and the scene moves forward naturally. It feels energetic and cinematic, completely different from Ryu and Kai, yet created using the exact same tools. What's impressive is that all three characters were made the same way, but they feel completely unique. Ryu feels powerful and motivating. Kai feels calm and introspective. Luna feels uplifting and energetic. That's because in kizunaMate, story continuity, personality, and perspective actually matter. Chat mode is fast and fun, but story mode is clearly the main event. It's where fandom turns into co-creation. From uploading your own anime-style videos to stepping inside scenes that feel alive, this doesn't feel like just another AI app. It feels like a new way to experience fandom, slower, more personal, and more creative. If you could create any character and any story, what would you start with? Try kizunaMate using the link in the description and let me know in the comments. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next AI Finder video.